When you're cooking, you're basically doing a bunch of chemistry experiments in your kitchen. It's like you're a mad scientist, but with a spatula instead of a test tube. One of the most important concepts in cooking chemistry is heat. When you apply heat to food, it causes a whole bunch of chemical reactions to happen. It's like you're unleashing a volcano of flavor. For example, when you cook meat, the heat causes proteins to denature and coagulate. It's like they're doing a wild and crazy dance, changing shape and texture as they go. And then there's caramelization, which is basically like magic. When you heat up sugar, it starts to break down and create a whole bunch of new flavor compounds. It's like you're turning sugar into a disco ball of deliciousness. But here's where it gets really funny. Sometimes the chemistry of cooking can go horribly wrong. Like when you burn something, and it tastes like charcoal. It's like you're playing a game of cooking Jenga, and one wrong move can bring the whole thing crashing down. So there you have it, cooking is like a wild and crazy science experiment, with heat, proteins, and flavor compounds all doing a hilarious dance in your kitchen. It's like a chemistry lab, but with a lot more delicious smells.